Hi friends, are you looking for a job or a career? Are you also worried about how to get your dream job? So, do stay with us till the end of his seminar and you will learn a lot and a new perspective how to find your dream job in 2021, that is most pandemic year in the whole 20th century. Here, job recession as well as retention is a major problem for the companies, and they are looking for the candidates who can work them for a longer at very reasonable prices. So, my name is Ajit Singh Jadon, and if you want to build your own career, so a famous quote by founder of Apple: "Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own voice." So if you want to build your career, then do not listen to others. And yes, if you want a job, or we call it a dream job, then you can connect and build your networks, listen to others, and go back with your dreams that you have organized it. I'm just story yet to come. If we got in this video around 500 likes, I will tell the story of one of my friends that is associated with the SCVC from 2017 onwards, and in his duration from 2002 till 21, in 4 years span only, he earned at 3,000 per month. He started his career and now he is earning a 3 lakh per month. None other than Mr. Shubham Rathore. He is our advisor as well for SUVC, operating from Berlin. He has done his MS from Germany, and then he started his careers in the solar field as well. He will be guide you. If we got 500 likes on this video, this is our first seminar regarding the jobs opportunity. So we got around 500 like in this video. Definitely, we will arrange a video seminar with Mr. Shubham Rathore, who will tell his experience that how he transformed his career to a foreign MS and then as a well-established entrepreneur. Comment please. So before starting my this video, I want you all who are listening it that what is your expected CTG, means package that you want or deserve from the companies. So this is the most updated question that company will ask you before hiring or even before applying. You will find it out in various posts as well. Means what is your expected CTC, and by this question only definitely you will find it out that your candidate profile will be shortlisted or not. So I want all of you who are watching here that please type what are that packages that you wanted from your side. We got some few of the great answers from Bhushan, 3.5 to 4 lakhs. It is a good answer that we got it. 8 lakhs per annum. We got it from Sunil. So yes, these are the some of answers that shows that what you are looking at, right? Rest of the members who are already presented, Shiny has typed it as per market standard. This is a very good answer when you are applying for any bigger jobs, because company doesn't want to define it. And yes, 10 lakhs, yes, you have dreams. There are two ways. If you want your dream job, then you should only be focused that what are the package that you are expecting, you did not accept it below, and then you will apply for those companies who are offering these types of packages, right? So we got plenty of answers, so the host can show it. There are lots of participants are giving the answers, they can show cause. Let's move to our next video and then we will start our session. We are having 6 ways to get job. As we have already told, like this is the session that we are having 6 ways to get job. Now we will go forward with one by one. So one is the most important ways that modern trends and the modern pass out students are following is that they are going for the company website pages and they are applying there. I will just demonstrate you. There are some of the companies who are having their career pages. So you can also apply in the same way. This is the most appreciable and a very old fashioned method by which many of the personals are getting their jobs. Second is the most trending one is the job portals. There are plenty of job portals are now available where the you can apply directly and make your profile. Then company will see your profile and your resumes and will hire you. Third one is that job fair and campus placement. Here the chances of your selection will be much more high because company invested an amount to come there and they wanted a persons who should be recruited. So the chances of getting selection will be much more high when you are applying for a job fair or in campus placement in your companies. First one is the walk-in, because when you are going for a walk-in and your interview will be scheduled, definitely you need to understand that if a company is scheduling your interview and the company is at good level, we called it IPO listed company, then definitely they need you. That's why they are scheduling your interviews. So if you got any opportunity for a walk-in, do not hesitate, go away and take the challenge. The most important tool that is being utilized from 2020 pandemic is social networking. Especially if I'm talking for social networking, it means LinkedIn, Twitters, where professionals are coming and they are posting their jobs so that you are seeking to them, and once seeing your profile or your career profile, they will just give your calls as per your according needs. And the most important selection of chances the companies in 2021 is preferring is only through job referrals. They are not posting a single job at any of the public advertisements or any of the job portals. They are only trusting their employees who are already working, and they are posting in their employees. Suppose a company is having 5,000 employees, so they are posting it to their employees, and the employees are preferring them, like Infosys, we have Accenture, and many big brands who are just utilizing these policies. They are hiring much more persons so that they will get much more benefited the candidates, because they will be a trusted one. So these are the six ways by which you can get a job in 2021. There are lots yet to come. Please do stay with us. Now I have a very simple message to you. This is the career page of Baiju. I've just taken the descriptions. The common mistake that a fresher or an experience is doing, they are applying multiple jobs through a single resume. Do not do that. I repeat it, if you are applying multiple jobs through a single resume, please don't do that. Your chances of selection will be 5% only, because the companies that are making a good profile when you are seeking for a package of 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, or 15 lakhs, they are preparing the job description very precisely. So do read it very properly. What they wanted, the skills and all, please be mentioned in the resume accordingly. Maintain the resume as per the Byju's and all. Those who are already getting at 10 or 15 lakhs and looking for rise, you must know that the company is now also asking for a formal cover letter, so that they get to know, they don't have the time to look at your resume. What they are using application tracking software by which the keywords is matching. Suppose if I am applying for a Baiju and I did not find it out this individual contributor, so my resume will be not shortlisted. So when you are applying for a resume, do look out the roles, responsibilities, especially with the skills that is desired for that. Definitely you will be passed with the application tracking software, and then your resume will be shortlisted and you can apply for these types of companies. Few examples are also there. Here I am just taking away. So this is the career page for Byju's. Then we are having TVS as well. As you see here, there are various job openings. So I am again repeating, do not apply multiple jobs through a single resume. Make a resume particular to that job, so that you will be benefited at the most. Opportunities at Wipro, you will find it out at every company. If you will go for that, na, they will write it the JD very precisely. So do focus them what they have written, what they wanted, and are you fulfilling their criterias or not? Before applying it, you should evaluate yourself. There is a Maruti Suzuki current openings we are having too. So there are few companies we are also providing these types of updates exclusively to our RST members. If we got some good response from the participants who are presented, and if you will share this video to your friends as well, if you got our first challenge 500 likes, the viewers that are watching, I request them to like now, and just after this video you will get an opportunity. So do stay with us till the end. In the Maruti Suzuki, we are having two current openings. You can apply them. Go to their website pages and definitely you can apply. There are multiple openings for hybrid electric vehicle. So this is the current update that we are having. We are providing these types of updates to our job portals. If you are also wanted, then SUVC has completed 1000 days, and now we are launching our job portals very soon. So there you will find out the current updates of various companies which is not being updated to any public media. As you see here, I am just giving you explanations, not on the perspective of government jobs. We are having competition in private jobs as well. Do not think. Here you see Maruti has posted his job vacancies just 9 days ago, and you will find it out 757 applicants have already applied. So how you will be how you will be shortlisted? Have you ever think it? If you go for a bigger companies, this job applicants will reach to 4,000 or 5,000 vacancies, almost 2, 3, or 4, right? So in the private sector, retention, as I told it, is much more appreciable. They wanted the persons who should work there, because in private generally what happens, if you are experienced, you will left the companies mostly 2 or 3 years. Do not, you are not thinking for a particular company to grow with them, and you are also growing for at least 10 or 15 years. And that we are choosing the private sector because we know our values. So do apply to the companies. If you didn't get a campus placements and all, you can come to us. We will help you for the professional networks as well. A very short question, when I got asked through applying an interview, I did not reveal the company name, but the package was 24 LPA. 15 seconds I got this answer. I want you all to please see the question in 15 seconds and solve it. I wanted you to the answer A, B, C, and D. Do it fast. After 15 seconds, it will be removed. Let me check you how much capable you are. So till then, I am expecting you to please go ahead with the same, and then we will move it for the next. I hope 4,000 we got some answers. 4,000 we got some answers from Sunil. So yes, this is good. The correct answer they wanted 4,000. It is none in the options as well. If I see they just promised me guess the answers. I know it will not be solved in 15 seconds. Trust me, because when you are clicking on the time, na, it time will make a pressure, and you will type it through the option A, B, C, and D. But here the most important fact was that none of these is the answer they wanted. You should type that how your intellectual or your mind presence will be there. They are only checking that. So, guys, please be focused when you are applying for these types of jobs. Do take the responsibilities. They want only the responsible person. Going ahead with the companies, why company will hire you is the next question that companies will ask, right? I'm explaining you in only two things. When I applied for my bigger of my job, the Audi Mumbai, they only wanted a candidate that they will fulfill their criteria. They only want to know, can you do the job? And that will be reflected through your profile, through your body language, through your confidence, and a resume in front of them. So, building the resume and then maintaining your profile, we will train you. Second, the most point was that you need this job because there are 4,000 applicants. Why they will select you? So you need to create the desiredness that yes, it is only a job that you wanted. If you will show them that you are so much skills, overconfident, all, they have lots of persons who are already in the queue, which is much more good from you as well. In their perspective, they wanted the person they are giving the job should decide it for, should demanded it for, and that will be reflected through your experience, through your strengths that you have put it in your resume, and by that only you will find it out that the company will hire you. In the next slide, hiring process is very simple in 2021 because this is the latest trends that the companies are following. First and the most was, as I told you, job referrals. They are checking the reference. Then expected CTC, whether you are in their budget or not. Then the company's policy, they are having various rules and regulations, like 80% will be the shortlist criteria. And then the references that you are putting it, they are checking your background. If you are an experienced one, they will be calling to your previous company whether the employee is good or not. Then they will follow a new hire checklist in maintaining your interviews with through various found rounds. Some of the companies are now also taking test as well, analytical test as well as presentation test. So that will also matter a lot. Do not think that if you are preparing for government job only, you need your aptitude. Many of the companies, when they are hiring at a good package, they are taking your aptitude as well as your presentation and speaking test as well. Depends on your which profile you are applying for. They will be share you the benefits. Then your job application process will be done. You will be coordinated as a training period, and then your introduction and your job will be started. So this is the hiring process that various of the companies are following. You should be fitted on every 9 points that is mentioned here. Keep it note down. Then yes, the last but not the least, steps to get the job. I've given you the path. One is only path that I've described here is a career page. Rest of the 5 points, if you wanted, we can continue in this manner and will provide much more to get this. How to get the job? So this is the formula that we are prepared for you. The cost was 999 only. The formula was 5SI formula. I will give you brief explanation about it before ending this video, and a very good surprise for you is there. One is the reference, as I told, like from where you are applying the job, from where you got the information, either through job portals, either through SUVC portal, either through your friends, either through your seniors. So the most important point was the reference. If you want a job, when you are applying for a job, please put a cover letter or an email or particular message that I have seen your notification, I have got the information from naukri.com, I have got your information from newspapers, I have got your information through your company websites. Please put this as a heading. They don't want it like the jobs are circulating through message WhatsApp and you are continuously applying them, you are not selected. So when if you want till the process of interview, do mention your reference, that from where you got the reference of the job. Second is the screening one. Once you will be get a reference, do make your message body in that way so that it will be screened in a single line. Suppose if you are applying for a job, do not put these types of mistakes. I am applying for this. I am applying for this. Applying for the job. Applying for the job. Do mention it. If you got a HR name, put it. Hey Neha, I am applying for team leader. Applying for team leader at company as well. You can put in this way so that in first screening they get to know, yes, you are applying for particularly company and particularly job and you are communicating to the particularly person. So when you are sending a mail or an WhatsApp message or anything, please be precise that your screening will be done in first 2 seconds. This is the second step that I am telling you, and there are lots of much yet to cover in the course. First is the shortlisting. If you are sending in this way, chances are 80% chances are there that the HR or a talent acquisition team or particular person will shortlist your profile as per your resume sent to by you. If they will be shortlisting, they will giving you the criteria. Most of the companies are now hiring for WFH policies. I will explain you what is WFH policies. So if you will be shortlisted, be remain with them if you want to be selected till the job offer in your hand. Do not show them that you are various offers, you are very much skilled, because as I told you, the companies want only those profiles who want to do the job. They don't want it that they will spend you around 5 to 6 thousand in your training and you will be just going away. So third and the most important step is the shortlisting. One, present yourself either in a shortlisting and a telephonic view. Present yourself in such a way that you want that job. Then companies will, before arranging the interview, they are going for your skill test. As I told you, if you're applying for a bigger packages, more than 10 lakhs, definitely most of the companies will take your skill test, which includes various design to design. If you are applying for an IT recruiter or particular in IT based jobs, they will be giving a project. If you are applying for a business development, they are giving a training and a task. If you are applying for an particularly these types of job in which you find it out analytical skills as well as the managerial skills, they wanted you to be present in your test. They have already made it. Second is the salary part. As I told you, the first important question that most of the companies wanted is that what is your expected CTC, whether you are giving the company benefit or you want to take the benefit from the company. So if you are a little bit confident, yes, I will give the benefit to the company, then only company will hire you. These are the 5 S that I told you is the major one. And reference is also referred to as sourcing, that where from you get the source. Last is the interview. The interview part will be scheduled, and after your interview, you will be shortlisted or not shortlisted. That will be defined in within your 5 to 10 minutes of your interview that will be conducted by the companies. So in this course, we have explained various of the points that the companies like TVS, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, AMG and Tata, how they are hiring, what are the steps they are proceeding, how the companies are going to be grow, why they will select you or not select you. The professionals are various companies. We are having a professional network of almost 1,000 people who are different domains, the SUVC, and that we are only known for USP. Few of the brands that we have already shown here, we are giving an opportunity, as I told you, like learn WFH. So WFH is generally none other than work from home policies that most of the companies wanted, that whether you can perform a task working at your home. Many of the companies are now demanding you to be intern, where the companies are following a work from home policies, so that you can find it out. In our organizations, we are also having openings at 28 vacancies. Lots of internships are already going on. If you are also interested, you can apply. Numbers are already there. Your coordinators are already there who have contacted you for this webinar. I'm damn sure it will very much helpful for you in your career perspective point of view. The last is the surprise that I told you, and the surprise is earning opportunity 3,000 per day. Yes, you can earn an amount of 3,000 rupees per day from today onwards. And this exclusively benefit only for our RST members, because we know, yes, they are having the personal brand. So if you are having the RST memberships, you can apply for this opportunity to grasp it, and let's showcase our skills. You can coordinate with Adit and all, beat the competition for jobs, and line with the powerful person brand before anyone even hears about you. So you will directly get the benefit in your bank account. And if you want to know much more, you can just call to our coordinators, zonal heads, who are coordinating you and invited you for this webinar. The last and the least, that if you want these types of opportunities and these types of seminars in the future, do give your nominations. We have already formed a group where I will be thankful to our volunteers, our zonal heads, and all those supporters who are supporting RST and SUVC, that they have reached a count of hundreds in within 3 days. So this is the power that I wanted, and the energy. You should be very much updated with the technology and things. Nominations should be coming out. Benefits and opportunities. There are lots of opportunity for you. And if you wanted any question, you can reply. You can contact us, and if you have any query, you can apply it. This is for today. You can apply if you are having any comments or doubts.